Good morning, good morning. We are at Kapālama stream. Doing some cleanup here today. We also got a group up at New Helivai working on the Lo'i area. But just documenting what we see, what we're doing today and dealing with. Bring some awareness to it. Thank you. I don't know if this is ours either. Somebody's.
That floats around Hawaii.
The gyre. Yeah. Guess where all of this goes, gang? Clogs. Who needed the rake? You? No? You rake it up.
People, you gotta open the door.
Hi, cousin. Ma, Sydney's on. Check this out. Crazy, huh? This all gonna go down into the ocean. Whoo, the struggle. Great group of people.
With all these wheelchairs, you can have one ton today. None of this are 10 pounds. Or, you know.
And then above, up there, we got some people working in the Lo'is up there. But just wanted to show everybody kind of what we're dealing with this morning. And the sad reality that this all comes from the community.
Hey, we can keep what we
Comes from the community. And then unfortunately straight out to the ocean, right? Through these river systems, so. Unfortunate.
Actually, if I was homeless, I would just have a nice house of rubbish. Repurpose, yeah. I've been using all this stuff, all hang nice and, you know?
Watch out for the needles too, yeah?
You see stuff?
No, but I see baggies, so.
Definitely. I'll see the guys do a good chat.
Yeah. Guarantee. Anyhow, wishing you guys a wonderful day wherever you may be. Whether you're in Vegas or somewhere else. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Ahui ho. Oh, and if you're not doing anything, come down. Looks like we'll have some work to do for today. Have a good day, everybody.